Hi, everybody. Welcome to Mark's Backyard Birds. Welcome back to Mark's Backyard Birds. Yes, we are back with a lot of hard work from Melanie, especially, and help from Google and from friends. We have recovered Mark's Backyard Birds and we are back up and running. And it's going to take a few days before everything gets restored, but our videos are on there. Things like playlists are slow to load. They're not on there yet. We may have to recreate those, but we've gotten rid of all the junk that the hacker had put on there, and we've got the banner restored. We're still working on that as well. But believe me, the channel is working. You can do your searches and find videos on the topics that you want, like you always been able to. I have a new video posting tonight, Monday the 20th, and we will be live this coming Thursday night on for one of our classic Thursday evening live sessions. So you'll still be able to join in from Facebook as well, and Instagram and TikTok. But boy, the main channel, Mark's Backyard Birds, is up and running. We thank you so much for your patience. It has been a couple of weeks of real nail biting around here and a lot of work. So we're back. Mark's Backyard Birds are going to go strong, and we're still going to maintain McBirder's Perch. We're going to, like I said, our plan all along with that channel is to make maybe that more of a bird watching focus, and of course we'll do both on this channel as well, but that's the kind of the avenue. So we are working this out. Believe me, we're working diligently. So we thank you for your support, and we thank you for being patient with us, but we're happy to say that we are back. And as always, let's talk birds.